What's up guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and I'm back with a video on the price analysis of BTC Bitcoin USDT pair. And it's just a short video on the Bitcoin price analysis. And right now I am on a weekly chart, okay, weekly chart, and I have drawn these two areas, guys. These are the areas of supply and demand, and the weekly areas, the weekly points, the areas, the zones, the regions matters the most, because it is on the weekly chart. The larger the time frame, the better the areas. So I have drawn this trend line, and if you can take a look, this was a swing low candle, okay, swing low. If we observe this, the bottom of this swing candle, I draw the line, and you see here we got rejection from this area, okay. Once it was down, the next candle tested here, then again retested here, but again we got rejected, and on again here it was coinciding with this horizontal support at this level, horizontal resistance at that time, rejected again, you saw. And once it was broken, the next candle went down and tested, and then the price went up in this area. You see this area, we got 1 2 3 4 times this area has been tested. This is the support zone, okay, support area, the support area around approximately 28,000. yeah, this is the area. And you see here, if we take a look at it, then the price came up, tested this area again, and once this consolidation phase, when it was over, the price went up, got retested, got rejected from here, and then moved up again. And then the price twice tested the upper zone, the all-time high, then again from there it went down and tested this. You see how perfectly it bounced off this trend line under this demand zone, okay, under this demand zone here, if you take a look. And the next candle, which is currently moving, currently it is developing, you see here, that let me show you this one. This candle also bounced off, okay, also bounced off this trend line. So if we take this trend line as a indicator that how the price is reacting to it, you saw that when once the price was developing on this trend line here, you see here, if we take a look at here, the price was developing here, then under this the price was testing and rejecting, and then once it broke out from here at this level, the price went up, and then again on its way back it has been rejected twice. So the current scenario, guys, is very important. If we take a look at the current scenario, guys, now this is the supply zone, this is the demand zone, or you can call this one is the support area, this one is the resistance area, and the price is in the consolidation phase, okay. The price is in the consolidation phase here, neither going upside, neither going downside here. If you take a look at the back on January, February, okay, 1 2 3 4 5 weeks of, it was the 5 weeks of consolidation phase, okay, 5 weeks. And now here again we have got 1 2 3, so we might be in this phase for might be next another week or a week 2 more, okay. We might be in the consolidation phase in this area. So if we take a look at here, we got strong this was the supply which was absorbed by the buyers. Again at this candle, if you take a look at the current candle on the weekly chart, this was the supply which has been absorbed by the buyers. So the candle has not closed yet, and today is Thursday. It is 1 2 3 days are still left, so we might have to see if this candle closes in here in this region, then we might see another consolidation phase or another retest at this demand zone. But if any candle closes above here, if we take a look at here, once this candle was closed under this zone here, what happened? The price then shoot up. Okay, because this is a key areas, guys. You say the price goes to this area but has never closed. You see here, it has never closed. This is an interesting phenomenon, guys. Just take a look at here. Only this candle, this one, has closed inside this area. And what happened? The price went up. So if we take this theory, I assume that if price, this is the candle has just, made 38,000. Yeah. If we see any candle closing, by the end of the week, if this candle closes, like this, makes a hammer shaped candle, okay, then the next candle could be like this one. We can say that the next candle could make this as a test, and then it can be flipped. Right now this area is a resistance area. If any candle closes above this area, the next candle should get rejected from this area, and then from there it can move up. But this is only the possibility if and only if this candle closes inside this area, inside this zone. This zone starts from let me draw the price areas, this one, okay, and this one, okay. The price needs to close inside these two areas, okay, these two areas. In between these two areas, if the weekly candle closes in between this range, then we might see a bullish move on the next candle. But if the candle closes below this level, then we might see a retest, or might a wick below. Okay, we can see a wick below here. If you take a look at here, what happened when the price closed here, it opened here and closed here. If you observe this candle, guys, this one, the price went up but never closed, and closed right on the corner. And what happened? The next candle dropped down and tested here, and the very next candle again, it's opened from here, made a swing low here, and then closed here. The next candle closed above this area, and we moved up. So this is very important, guys, very important area. You need to understand the theory, guys. You need to understand if this candle, okay, if this candle closes in between or below this level, below 38,000 by the end of the week, then we might see a wick down to 28,000, okay, this area, 28,000, 29,000, okay, and from there we can see a bounce off until and unless if any candle closes inside this zone, then we might see another dump down, okay, to might be 20,000. If any candle closes inside this zone, then we might see a move on the upside. So this is basically on the larger time frame. This is the current scenario of the Bitcoin. I hope you have understood the phenomena, understood the theory which I am trying to tell you guys. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the analysis. Take care. Bye bye.